In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Open to Work in LinkedIn. If you no longer want the Open to Work label showing on your LinkedIn profile, the good news is that it only takes a moment to turn it off. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make this change quickly and confidently. Start by opening LinkedIn and making sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main LinkedIn page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Me option there, which opens your personal account menu. Go ahead and click Me. After that, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select View Profile. This will take you directly to your public profile page where you can manage the information that other people see, including your job-seeking settings. Once you're on your profile, look for the Open to Work section. This is usually displayed near the top of your profile, close to your profile photo, headline, and other introductory details. In that section, you should see a small pen icon, which is the Edit button. Click that pen icon to make changes to your Open to Work status. A new window will pop up on your screen. This window allows you to edit the preferences connected to your Open to Work setting. If your goal is to remove it completely, look toward the bottom left of that window. You'll find the Delete option there. Click Delete to remove the Open to Work status from your profile. Once you do that, the Open to Work feature will be removed, and it will no longer appear on your profile. This is useful if you've already found a new opportunity, if you want to pause your job search, or if you simply prefer to keep your profile more private. And that's it. The process is very simple. Open the Me menu, go to View Profile, click the pen icon on the Open to Work section, and then click Delete. If you don't see the change immediately, try refreshing the page, since LinkedIn can sometimes take a moment to update profile details. Aside from that, you're done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly remove Open to Work from LinkedIn.